Welcome to Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse. In this video, we'll see how you can create a board item from file-proofing comments. Here we have a project, and here we have a task that includes a file with completed proofing. Let's open this task, proceed to the attachments, and let's open the attached file. In the comments, we can see a comment. Let's open the comments section to view the comment details. To create a board item from this comment, click on Create at the top and select the Create Item option. Next, select the board for the new item by clicking on the drop-down menu and choosing your board. Now, enter the name for the new item. The description will be automatically fetched from the comment. You can also set a due date for the item. Click on Due Date. Select a date from the calendar and hit Apply. Next, assign the task by clicking on Assignee and selecting an assignee from the list. Once you've filled in all the details, click on Create Item. Our board item is now successfully created. We can close the file and the task. Let's go to the board section to view our newly created item. Here's the board we selected earlier. Let's scroll down, and here we can see the item we created from the file-proofing comments. And that's how you can easily create new board items from file-proofing comments. Streamline your project management with Kroolo, your smart productivity powerhouse.